Ongaze ngathi yosandwa sami uzungisize unga Angizokuthengela ibhanoyi my love Angizokuthengela ibhanoyi my love Angizokuthengela ibhanoyi.
Before signing to Ambitiouz Entertainment, before releasing their debut album, sInqola, which dominated all the charts across all genres in South Africa in the first day of its release, before releasing their second studio album, Umuthi. Before, ibhanoyi music video generated over 10 million on YouTube, before all the award nominations, please meet the Black Diamond. Before we proceed, please take this moment and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button below and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload something new. Black Diamond is a South African pop and Afro-pop music duo consisting two members, Ambitiouz Browns and Danya Devs, from Ladysmith aka 150 located in KwaZulu-Natal. The group was formed in 2010, but before that the two used to rap battle on the school bus every day when they were in grade 9. They later decided to make music together. They realized that the more African their music is, the more people wants to listen to it, so they then decided to infuse their culture in their music. After high school they decided to relocate to Johannesburg to pursue their music career, of which wasn't easy for them since they had no relatives living in there, so at times they were forced to go to the nearest police station to seek shelter.
It was really hard because we had no relatives around here.
Sure.
There were some times where we were sleeping at police stations, eating movies for like 3 months.
Oh, guys.
Yeah, it was really hard, but because we knew from the get-go.
Sababu mshenkshabala ibuthe liqize ngegazi likashaya ungiyaphinda ngithi webafana siyimpi sokhale khanda kongafiki ngisokedla.
Ambitiouz Browns is a producer, singer, songwriter and a member of a popular duo Black Diamond. He was born in 1994 September 8. He went to Ladysmith Secondary School, where we believe it's where he met his Black Diamond partner Danya.
Zonke izintombi seziyangishela sekuyangibora intombi sibali love letter angisayifundi ngiyayifona.
Danya is a singer, songwriter and a member of a popular duo Black Diamond. He is currently 25 right now, but he'll be turned 26 in December 1st. Like Ambitiouz, he grew up in Ladysmith and went to Ladysmith Secondary School. After years of struggle, finally a big record label, Ambitiouz Entertainment, recognized their talent and signed them. Soon after they joined Ambitiouz, they dropped the single, Standwa, from their debut album, sInqola, which gained a lot of support all over the country, after the album was released, and it became a hit soon after release. In 2019 they dropped their second studio album, Umuthi, which got a good review as well, which features songs like ibhanoyi, Memaza featuring Shava and Waza My Love. The best part was when ibhanoyi won the Song of the Year award. The Black Diamond have been doing great things since they've arrived in the public scene, and we hope doesn't end there. We hope they'll continue giving us the good music. That's all we had for you. Please tell us how you feel about this video on the comments section below. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Till next time, peace.